What is the name of the world's largest iceberg? A. B15A. B. A23A. C. C19A. D. D16A. Correct answer is A23A. A23A, the largest iceberg in the world, was set afloat recently on his journey in the South Atlantic after having been freed from the Filchner ice shelf in Antarctica. But this geographic event has instigated several questions as to how the iceberg will now affect the natural ecosystem of South Georgia Island. Which country has granted legal personhood to Mount Taranaki? A. Australia. B. Canada. C. New Zealand. D. United States. Correct answer is New Zealand. New Zealand recognized Mount Taranaki as a legal person, granting it the same rights as a human being. This decision acknowledges its cultural and spiritual significance to the Maori people. When is World Cancer Day observed annually? A. 15th January. B. 4th February. C. 8th March. D. 7th April. Correct answer is 4th February. Cancer is a major global health challenge, causing nearly 10 million deaths in 2022, according to the WHO. World Cancer Day, observed on 4th February, highlights the need for awareness, action, and collaboration to reduce the global burden of this life-threatening disease. The golden-headed cisticola was recently discovered for time in which Indian National Park? A. Periyar National Park. B. Mathikettan Shola National Park. C. Silent Valley National Park. Correct answer is Mathikettan Shola National Park. Golden-headed cisticola, Cisticola exilis, usually found in grasslands, was recently discovered in the Mathikettan Shola National Park, Idukki, located in the southern part of the Palakkad Gap in the Western Ghats. This discovery marks the first sighting of the bird in the southern Western Ghats after an extensive gap, according to bird watchers. The bird was spotted by Lathish R. Nath from Korati, principal at VHSS Vadakkancheri, and Ravindran K. C., retired village officer, Athirapilli, both members of Thrissur Kole Birders, an organization of bird watchers. Who was the former Chief Election Commissioner, CEC, of India, who recently passed away? A. Sushil Chandra. B. Naveen Chawla. C. T.S. Krishnamurthy. D. N. Gopalaswamy. Correct answer is Naveen Chawla. Naveen Chawla, former Chief Election Commissioner who introduced the Other category for third gender voters, passed away at 79. He was known for his significant electoral reforms and a controversial tenure, with allegations of partisanship brought against him by the BJP. Chawla also authored a notable biography of Mother Teresa. Which country recently test-fired an anti-warship cruise missile within a range of more than 600 miles? A. India. B. Iran. C. Russia. D. China. Correct answer is Iran. Hours before Benjamin Netanyahu meets with US President Donald Trump, Iran has unveiled two missiles in a mega show of strength. President Masoud Pezeshkian unveiled the Etimad ballistic missile, which reportedly has a range of 1,700 kilometers. Iran's IRGC also tested anti-ship cruise missile Ghad 380, which reportedly has a range of more than 1,000 kilometers. Watch for more details. Which album by Chandrika Tandon won the Grammy Award for Best New Age Album? A. Shanti. B. Triveni. C. Asha. D. Samarpan. Correct answer is Triveni. Indian-American musician and business leader Chandrika Tandon won the Grammy for Best New Age, Ambient, or Chant album for Triveni, a collaboration with Wouter Kellerman and Eru Matsumoto, at the 67th Grammy Awards on 2 February 2025. What is the name of the Indian Navy ship that crossed Point Nemo during Navika Sagar Parikrama 2? A. INS Vikramaditya. B. INS Tarangini. C. INSV Tarini. D. INS Chakra. Correct answer is INSV Tarini. Lieutenant Commanders Dilna K and Rupa A, aboard INSV Tarini, successfully crossed Point Nemo, the remotest location on Earth, during their circumnavigation mission. They also collected valuable water samples for oceanographic research, marking a significant milestone in India's Navika Sagar Parikrama 2 mission. What is the name of the super app launched by Indian Railways for seamless travel? A. Rail Connect. B. Swarail. C. Railcart. D. Train Easy. Correct answer is Swarail. The Ministry of Railways launched the Swarail Super App, aiming to consolidate various railway services into a single, user-friendly platform. Currently in its beta phase, the app is available for download on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. The primary objective is to enhance user experience by integrating multiple services, thereby reducing the need for several separate applications. Who won the Tata Steel Masters 2025 title on 2 February 2025 at Wijk aan Zee, Netherlands? A. D. R. Gukesh. B. Viswanathan Anand. C. R. Pragnanandha. Correct answer is R. Pragnanandha. Indian Grandmaster R. Pragnanandha clinched the prestigious Tata Steel Masters 2025 title by defeating world champion D. Gukesh in a thrilling tiebreaker on 2 February 2025 at Wijk aan Zee, Netherlands. This victory makes him the first Indian since Viswanathan Anand in 2006 to claim the prestigious title. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.